Hello, dear. Welcome to Story Explorer. Please subscribe. Today we will read Little Princess Makes a Splash by Blue Banana Readers, illustrated by Emily McCann. Let's start reading. Little Princess. Little Princess runs. Little Princess runs to the park. Little Princess goes in and out of the locker room. Little Princess runs fast, in and out, and all about in her bathing suit. Where is she going? Little Princess is going to the wading pool. Little Princess is ready. Little Princess puts on her swim cap. Her friends are in the pool. Everybody is waiting for Little Princess to jump in. Ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Little Princess and her friends swim and splash. They are happy. They shout, "Happy Swimming Day!" The end. Thank you for reading along. Don't forget to subscribe.